Now let us see the control panel part of the Cheque Printing Software 6.6. To see the control panel, click on the icon. Over here, all the setting for the check will be displayed over here and the backup restore module. Let us first see the general setting of the software. To change the setting, click on this edit button. Clicking on it will allow you to edit all the data. First is a decimal separator, right? In some currency, okay, the decimal is separated by the hyphen. Just let me type the hyphen key. Okay, so the amount will be shown somewhere like this: 10-100-25. In India, it is a dot, so it is 100.25. Okay, now sometimes you need to put a security sign in your check that the person cannot change the amount. So some person, okay, type star sign over here. So if you see, I have kept a star sign over here. Automatically in the check, when you print it, it will be like star 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 the amount. Okay, this will increase the security of your check number. Okay, now there are three kind of placement in the system. You want it after the number, before the number, or on both the sides. So this way the person cannot change the number in your check by hand after it is printed. Okay, if you don't want it, simply remove, keep it blank, so it won't print. Bearer symbol. Now somebody wants slash, somebody wants star sign. It can be anything. So whatever you add over here will be, I will show a live example. If I go to payment, okay, this is sign over here, slash 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 slash. If I update this to star 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 star, okay, if I hit the update button, next time if you go for a payment, you can see that it is changed. So whatever character you want to add over here, okay, you click on the edit button, okay, and whatever you want to write, you can do it over here. Okay, next is not over. Remember, in payment module we are having option of not over then. Now what do you want to print? Not over then, or simply not over? Whatever text you want to print, you can specify it over here. Okay, next is post dated check alert. If you have issued a post dated check from the payment module, okay, and you want to alert, okay, so how many days prior you need the alert? So you enter the number of days over here. Okay, next is show and hide currency symbol. Let's say while printing a check, you want to print the currency symbol. So you can decide, do you want it before the number or after the number, right? Some currency allows, some bank allows to show the symbol, some bank doesn't allow. So it depends on you what you want to set. Okay, default printer. Software will by default automatically list down all the printers available. Okay, whichever printer you want to directly print to, just select it. So next time whenever you have a check printed, software will automatically fire the command of this particular printer. Okay, let me select Windows Office Writer. Okay, now let's say you want to print the voucher immediately after you have printed the check. So if a person from a payment module hits the print button for any check, software will automatically pop up the voucher. Okay, the next option is print voucher after saving new record. Let's say the moment you hit the save button, software should automatically print the voucher. Okay, you just need to tick it, so it will be as per that. Now next is the font. Sometimes you want your check font to be bigger while printing, so you can increase the font size over here. Okay, you can also change the font style. Whatever font you need to have, you can change it from here. Next is print in caps. If you want to print all the data in printing, while printing in capital letter, so you need to tick it. If you don't tick it, okay, the software will print as per what you have typed while paying. Okay, I click on update button, software will save all these details, and next time it will be print as per this setting. Next is the backup restore settings. Now let's say you are formatting your PC and you need to take the backup of the data. Simply click on the backup button. Software will ask you that where you want to save the data. Let's say I want to save it in my D drive. Okay, which folder you want? Okay, let's see what name. I will say backup the current month, right? I save this. So my backup has been taken. Afterwards I can format my PC, again reinstall the software. After reinstalling, I need to restore the database. So I will click on restore. I will select the particular backup, okay, whatever I have taken previously. If I click on hit the open button, software will automatically restore the data. So none of your data will be lost if you format your PC. Okay. Next is compact. Sometimes it happens that the check printing software is slow because of the junk data in the software or the extra space used by the database. So you need to compact the data now and then if the software is getting slow. It is not compulsory, it is on your wish. Okay. Import old software data. Over here we have different versions of software. Let's say if you are having a 5th version of check printing software, okay, so you can import it from the old data. Next is clear transaction. Let's say you took a backup of the database. Now you need a blank data to start with, so you can clear a clear transaction. If you click on this, software will clear all the payments entry in the software. Okay, it won't delete your checkbook, it will not delete your currency, it will not delete your pay name, it will only delete all the payment entry you have done. If I click on the yes button, software will ask me of what particular date range you want to clear the data. I will select a date range, I will click next, software will ask yes. If I click yes, okay, first software will ask me to take a backup. Before clearing anything, software will always ask me to take a backup. I'm sorry. Let's say, okay, this Windows version is not allowing me to saving. Okay, let me say you will not able to see the data what you have cleared. Okay, next is make it as a client. Now this is a very important feature. Okay, let's say you are having multiple computers in your organization, okay, but you want to have a single database. So this will help you out. This will help you out to make your software LAN based. Okay, so one PC will be server and other PC will be the client. Next is voucher. Now I can change my voucher template from here. If I click on this, okay, this is my actual voucher template wherein check number, account will be displayed here. Now you want to change the logo, you simply remove the old one, you add your company logo over here, you change your company name, your company address sorry, you do all the changes as per your voucher format. Okay, then you save this particular record. Okay, the moment you save this, next time whenever you will print the voucher, it will print as per what you have set up over here.